Welcome back.
How's it going? Hope your week's been good.
What it do, baby boo? We hope you're well. We hope you're really well. We really do. So we're making another dessert today, and we can both say that we have not tried this before.
No. I've never been to South Dakota.
Same.
I mean, if they want me there, I'll go. But this is South Dakota corn treats.
Yeehaw, darn tootin'. So yeah, let's get into it.
It's gonna be 2 bags, they're 9.5 or 10-ounce bags of corn chips. Store-bought's okay. If you want to make your own at home, you can too. I don't care.
That's fine. This bag of sugar,
Very suspect.
Which is 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're gonna want to divide those though in a little bit.
Oh, and corn syrup.
Corn syrup.
Right here.
1 cup of corn syrup.
And we also have a bonus ingredient. 10 High whiskey. It's
10
back.
High.
It's back.
It's
so
back.
exciting.
Better than ever. It's optional.
Is it though?
It's optional for kids. 9 by 13, or as what I just learned today,
regular size casserole pan.
dish.
Yeah, so let's make this and see how it goes. Okay, so first you're gonna take 1 cup of this light corn syrup here, and you're gonna put it into a large saucepan. Oh, this is gonna take forever.
I heard that's what dreams are made of.
Gross.
I mean, I don't know. I think it's gonna be fine.
It's fine.
It's almost there.
We're doing great. We're doing good
So
stuff
far,
here.
so good.
All right, there we go. Ooh. Okay, pour that on in there. Don't mind the weird dishwasher stains on the saucepan. It's not our saucepan,
It's not our
FYI.
saucepan.
Don't judge us. This is what we have. Okay, so go ahead and pour the.
We are going to mix the 1 cup of sugar. You can use a nice decorative bag like this, or just straight from the other bag that it comes in from the store. It's your call. I always prefer the nice decorative bags from Great Value because they're great and it's a value.
So now we're going to lightly grease, just a little beep. Oh. And then we're
thicker. That's thicker than
we don't have any
Niagara.
spray, so we make this work and just spread it on around.
We've been here before.
We've done this.
This is what we do.
We did this last time.
We did this last time.
Preston, we discovered, got the giant dipping corn chips for this. Like the scoops. They're not scoops, so it's not Fritos, but whatever.
They're dipping.
They're for dipping.
Dipping.
I would not suggest to get these because it's going to be a really big piece. So we're just going to crunch them up like that. Just be creative with it.
I'm sorry. Oh.
Okay. Anyway, back to the recipe. So we've got our pan greased here, and we're going to spread this whole bag out on the bottom.
Roughly 10 ounces of chip.
Yeah, about 9.5, 10.
Destroyed chip.
Destroyed chips.
Someone's got
nice
some
and
anger
crummy.
issues over here.
That is
Mad
good.
about dip chips.
It was going to be really weird to have giant dip chips.
Huge dip chips.
All over the place. Okay, so now that we have this, we're going to put
1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna say roughly a cup. This is a 2-cup bag. We don't need to measure here. This is all about
measure.
Measure.
Ooh.
Look at that. Let's do a little more. It is a big one. But it's okay.
Probably good.
It's gonna taste the same either way, I bet.
Yes. All right, so now we've got that, and then we're still waiting on our corn syrup, sugar mixture to boil. We'll be right back. All right, so now this nice mixture here is boiling. So we're gonna take it off the heat. Good job. And then now we're going to add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter.
Store-bought is fine.
Store-bought is fine. You don't have to make
You can make your own if you want. We're not gonna judge you.
Fancy.
Yeah. All right.
More. We're getting every drop. We don't waste here, so we're trying to get every drop.
We're making this peanut butter extra sweet and extra creamy, and loose.
Yes.
Look how loose this is over here.
That is loose.
Get used to that looseness. How creamy that is. That looks delicious. You could just stop here and eat it if you want.
But we're not going to.
But we're not going to do that because we're not savages, and we have people.
Classy, bougie, ratchet. No, okay.
Matchstick, whatever she says.
Batshit.
Fantastic.
Okay, you get it there.
Fantastic.
So we're gonna put half of this peanut butter mixture over this first layer of corn chip chocolatey deliciousness.
Smash the bag corn chips. Come on, we're
I'm
okay.
back. I'm back. I'm here. I'm here. I'm present.
We spread these all. We spread these all out.
Yes, yes, you do.
On top.
Look at those giant pieces.
Can't stop till you get enough. Come on, at the bus stop. Don't stop till you get
At
enough.
the bus stop.
What's he say?
So next you eat the chocolate chips. Do that.
Your second cup of chocolate chips.
Yes.
Put the first ones on. It may have been too much. You know what? We're gonna redeem ourselves by putting the rest of the bag.
Sure, fine.
Yes.
All right, so now we're gonna pour the rest of the peanut butter mixture on there, and then you're gonna let it stand until set. That's what the recipe says, which we'll give it like an hour, maybe a little bit more, and then we'll get back to you.
We will get back
and do a taste test.
We're gonna do some tomfoolery, and then we'll come back.
Yeah.
And we will tell you how these are. You're not looking at this drizzle. Don't look at me.
All right, we are gonna let this set, and we'll be right back. Anyway, this is set.
It's been sitting. It's all nice and hard. Listen to that.
Ooh, oh, okay. This might be concrete. I don't know.
This might be a concrete thing, and we're gonna find out though. Shea?
Yeah.
Yours. There's some corn chips on the bottom that didn't get stuck. It's my fault. All right,
Well,
ready?
I don't have chocolate on my face, so it's fine. Sure.
Bring it in. So right off the bat, that peanut butter acts like a caramel.
Mmm. This is good. It's so good.
They're onto something. Y'all are onto something for real. Dude.
It's gooey. It's real gooey.
It's a little loose on the bottom, and that's my fault because of the wrong chips.
It's fine though.
But the flavors are there,
This is so good.
and the flavors are popping. South Dakota, hang loose, bro. We're going. We'll see you there.
We'll play a show there someday so we can have more of these.
Yeah, make more, or we'll bring them.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Great job. You should really try these. Like, don't let this scare you. You should really try these.
It's good. The sweet, the salty, the peanut buttery. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye.
See you next time.